Last year, when I was cruising around in the back of my truck, I got into a few situations where I thought I was gonna freeze to death, and I suddenly realized, I'm like, man, I didn't really think this all the way through. So I've been doing some experimenting, trying to figure out how I can insulate these windows to stay a little bit warmer in case I do get into another bad situation. So in today's episode, we're gonna insulate these windows so I can stay nice and toasty.
Subscribe now.
So I've done some research and then I found this stuff, this double reflective insulation that you can find in any hardware store. Then we're going to use Velcro, stick it to the windows, and then when I need insulation, we're going to roll these cut out pieces and stick them to the window so I don't freeze to death. So this is pretty simple and you can find it in any hardware store. So now we got to measure the windows.
So put it kind of right here on the edge of this.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's going to be, we need to let it go out wider than the window so it sticks over the edge. So we probably need to cut that at least 68 inches long.
So 68.
68. You want to write that down?
Yeah.
And then by, let's go, give us a little over, let's go 15.5 inches.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your.
I've at least seen that this works. Okay. But the goal is next year to not be living in my truck when it's cold outside. I mean, that's on there, dude.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, the only problem
it doesn't have to be perfect. It's just like, because I'm going to have covers on too. But I mean, I was sleeping down into the 20s. And
I mean, you can take this and just kind of stick it down in here like that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Off.
Yeah, that's perfect.
If you want to just leave that extra on there.
Yeah.
All right. That's just one little piece.
What we need to do
is
do that, like cut a piece for this.
Yeah.
And really all I'd be concerned about is this side window
and that back window.
This back window.
Yeah.
And then that's really only where the cold air was coming in, like, you know, around the corners right here, then underneath here. And then this window over here, I couldn't feel anything.
Yeah, and if you needed to, you could put a little something, some cloth, some of your clothes or something that you're not wearing.
Yeah, just put it.
Exactly. So what we'll need to do is get some more Velcro and finish that other window.
Yeah, because we do this one and then this one.
We'll be good. And we got plenty of that left. That's about the same width as this, isn't it? The window back there.
It's a little. I think this was like 15 or 16.
Yeah.
Let's just say 16. This is probably going to be like more like 18 or 19.
Yeah, well, we still got plenty of width.
Yeah.
So we got plenty of the insulation.
Yeah. So now we just need Velcro.
Yep. So let's run down and get some Velcro real quick.
Let's go.
All right.
Texas flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, no, no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag.
So we finally found some Velcro. We had to call AutoZone and reserve their last box of Velcro. And now we can climb back in here, pull some measurements, and get this thing done.
Alright, here we go. Got the stuff.
Yeah.
Alright.
How are we gonna measure this?
We'll just measure from there to there, from kind of the outside edge of this lip right there. We may have to cut it down a little bit. Way up there.
This is gonna be a strange.
Yeah.
46 inches.
Okay.
But it tapers. It tapers out.
So we gotta measure here too.
You wanna get up here?
Yeah, let me get up there.
So we might have to cut this a little short, so we'll actually.
Well, cut it a little longer, then cut it to the taper, and we'll get it up
59 inches.
there. All right, 59.
So I'm thinking if we cut it to where it like might try to like.
Yeah, what we'll do, let's cut it a little big, then we'll cut it out to fit in there real tight.
So then that way it'll at least insulate the windows and keep the cold air from radiating in.
Right.
So yeah, if we can cut it.
We'll cut it kind of big and then trim it. Scissors.
Yeah, once we get in there.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, sounds good.
All right.
Window.
Right. Trim it, and then we'll put our Velcro tape on the window first. So we need about 63 inches.
I'm thinking about taking these scissors.
Yeah, we could, but before you start cutting that, wait. That doesn't look right.
It's right, trust me. That's exactly right, because that window tapers in.
Yeah, no, it does.
We got insulation, boys. That looks like a professional got in there and did it. I think your new talent is the window insulator. So we're finally getting everything done. We got the receiver hitch installed, which now I can have a bike rack and get the bicycle out of the back of the truck. We got the windows insulated, and then next on the list, we're gonna install KC highlights up here. So when I pull into areas that are super dark, I can flip a switch, turn some lights on, and we can see. So, hope you liked the video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the back, y'all get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. I'm a real one, my day ones. Try to speak up, can't say none. Try to dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money that save up. 10 to 80, my savings. Take to the top on the baseline. New car, race on, fast lane. With the booyah, that's a flex. Not human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport my advantage. I'ma wake up through damage. Join the Mercedes, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm